Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to work the stitch pattern for the Mosaic blanket. The Mosaic blanket is worked with two colors, colors A and B. Here we're going to be using white for color A and pink for color B. It is worked on a multiple of 12 stitches plus 3, so I've cast on 15 stitches here. You will cast on with color A and work one setup row straight knit, so you just knit the first row straight knitting in color A. You're then ready to work color B for your first row. The important thing to remember, that blanket is made with two stitches, knit stitches and slip stitches, combination of those two stitches. For all right side rows, you will always slip your stitches with your working yarn held in back, slipping as if to purl. For all wrong side rows, you're going to slip with your working yarn held in front. Those are the only two differences. So let's get started. You will knit the first stitch. The next stitch is a slip, so making sure to hold your working yarn in the back, slip as if to purl. You will knit the next 11. You will slip the next stitch as if to purl with your working yarn held in back and knit the final stitch. That is row 1. Just like that. Then turn your work. On row 2, since you're on a wrong side row, you get a bit of a reprieve on the wrong side rows in that you knit the stitches that from your previous row, you knit all of those stitches and you slip all of the same stitches exactly in sequence as you did for the previous row. The only difference is that you will now slip with your working yarn held in front. So you knit the first stitch, move your working yarn to the front, slip as if to purl, move the yarn back, and knit the next 11. And you then approach that slip stitch, move your working yarn again to the front, slip as if to purl, and knit the last stitch. Just like that. And that's row 2. You're then ready to work row 3. A useful step is to take both strands of yarn, move it to the back of your work. To start, you'll gently pick up the color that you'll be working with, which is color B. Reason why we move both to the back is that it'll help give you a nice clean edge to your work and keep it nice and neat. So we're going to start row 3 by knitting 4. Like that. Then you've got the next sequence is slip 1, knit 1 3 times. Again, because you're on a right side row, you're going to hold your working yarn to the back. Slip on once, twice, and 3 times. Slip the next stitch and knit the remaining 4. Just like that. On the following row, you will proceed, which is row 4, exactly as you did for row 2, in that you knit all of the knit stitches and slip all of the slip stitches, just being mindful to hold your working yarn to the front. And that's all there is to it, and you simply proceed in that way all the way in pattern all the way till you're done. We have a sample knit up to show you what it looks like when you're finished.